So here you can see the first kind of mock-up of the bike drawer. Looks kind of funny and everything looks like it's at odd angles, but it's been carefully laid out to minimise the overall length whilst also being able to accommodate my mountain bike, Jenny's mountain bike or my road bike. The only thing I found is it's possible that I don't actually need this mount now. That was originally the one for Jenny's bike, but Jenny's bike does fit on the road bike mount, so we'll see how we're going. Yeah, so the next step is to actually turn this into more of a drawer and fit the drawer slides. The reason it's so important to sort this drawer out is because the height that this all sits at defines the height of the bed. So I need to get this drawer in, at least mocked up, even if I then remake it out of other materials. I need to get it in and tested in the back of the van so I can work out where the bed's going. So these are a couple of side pieces that are going to give us something to mount the drawer runners onto, and to attach them to the base I'm going to use pocket holes, and this is just a benchtop pocket hole jig that I've got for the job. So to mount the drawer runner onto the side of the drawer, I lined up the drawer runner carefully, and I measured the height of the bolt holes on the other side, so the height's exactly the same. Lined them all up, marked on the centre marks, and then I've drilled through with a 7mm drill bit, and then I'm using M6 bolts, washers and nuts. I think I need to go out and get some bigger washers, because the plywood, it needs some penny washers, because as you tighten them up it's pulling the washer into the ply, so I need some bigger washers for that. So I just need to get this drawer runner bolted on, and then I can go and test it in the van, see how it looks. So I think this is my finished drawer, but until I've been and tried to fit it and tried the bikes on it, I won't know for sure. So here is a quick demonstration of the drawer for the bikes. At the minute it's not bolted down, so Jenny is carefully holding on to it out there. As you, she is holding it down. So as you can see, you can pull the bikes all the way out, so you can work on them. So despite all this mess, I've been able to check, mock up, make sure everything's going to fit. So that bike, that's the biggest bike. Jenny's bike's a bit smaller, the road bike's smaller again, so it's all going to fit within the same envelope, just that width. So it does mean that you've got to slide the tray out when you want to empty the cassette, but that's not too bad because there's plenty of room to get around it. This toilet will be closer to the wheel arch, but I haven't trimmed the tray yet because I haven't worked out exactly where we're going. There's a little bit of movement, maybe it'll go backwards a touch, but again, that's okay. I mean, I think there's probably 50mm there. We have got to have a wall. There is going to be some wall here of some thickness, but again, we can account for that. Overall, very happy with it. Now I think I need to find some brackets to bolt this down, and then I need to start looking at attaching the bed frame, which is going to be screwed into these walls with rib nuts.